Hare Krishna. So, among all the Vedic literatures, Bhagavad Gita is most suitable and authentic literature for this age to follow. Though application of teachings of Bhagavad Gita is for all the time, but this time specially Bhagavad Gita been presented as the essence of all the Vedic literatures. Of course, Bhagavad also essence of all the Vedic literatures. But before we enter into Bhagavatam, one must understand Bhagavad Gita. Through Bhagavad Gita, one must understand Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Then he can start reading Bhagavatam by chanting Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. So Bhagavad teachings of Bhagavad Gita is the foundation of spiritual life. If anyone gets, doesn't matter how elevated, higher standard knowledge one may receive and practice his spiritual life, if he is bereft of teachings of Bhagavad Gita, then that spiritual life will not last longer, because teachings of Bhagavad Gita is the foundation. Teachings of Bhagavad Gita is the foundation of spiritual life. For this reason, of course, Prabhupada had nice commentary and books distributed more than 100 languages all over the world. Millions of books distributed, but we don't know how many people are really reading those books. That's why about 24 years before, we introduced Gita correspondence course. Through this correspondence course, about 20,000 people have joined this correspondence course, sitting in their house. They have learned the Bhagavad Gita, and out of that thousands of people, their life has changed. They have taken shelter of ISKCON. So many misunderstandings been rectified, corrected. So now our Bhaktivedanta Gita Academy, under which banner we are running Gita correspondence course, then essence of teachings, essence of Bhagavad Gita, Gita study circle. Now we have introduced this Gita teachings of Gita online, Gita course online. This is available in 3 languages now. It's available in English, in Bengali and in Hindi. It's a great opportunity for householders, for any devotees to stay wherever you are in the world. So you can have access for this online course. Very simple, very easy. Anyone can afford to understand this. You can nicely presented, very simple way, and many objective questions and answers. So please visit our website gitacourse.com, www.gitacourse.com. Then in one site you will get all 3 languages choice, whatever you want. Please visit and introduce this site to others. Through this site, we are expecting thousands and thousands of people will come in contact with the knowledge of Bhagavad Gita in a very simple way, and they will apply in their life also. So this is a very good way to spread Krishna consciousness on the basis of teachings of Bhagavad Gita. So I humbly request everybody, please go to this site gitacourse.com and be educated on teachings of Bhagavad Gita online. Then you will get a special certificate. You will be invited to Mayapur to attend once a year we hold a conference. So we invite all those, they go through this course, and also special spiritual guidance you will get. So I request everyone, please take advantage of this Gita course online. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna.